to admit this is probably my favourite function of the year, as we get to see all the past players. Everyone gets to return to the club, connect with the team, and then since we started this about 3 years ago, that wonderful guard of honour for the current team to run through. Now, today is an opportunity to celebrate our past players, and it's no better function than to thank and acknowledge one person who's made a significant contribution to the club. He's not aware of this, so I apologise for catching him off guard, but today marks 20 years that this business and this person has had a major sponsorship with the club. He's been an enormous supporter, and in fact he himself is a past player playing in the Colts team, which Jim Lewis was the coach of all those years ago. So if you could all join me in thanking and acknowledging Mick Power for 20 years as major sponsor.
Scotty, of course, he played 33 games for Queensland, I might add, Colin Scott, not all state of origin, obviously. Played with Babinda, Souths in Townsville, Easts here in Brisbane, a lot of people forget that. Wynnum Manly, and he was the inaugural Brisbane Broncos fullback. Played a test match against the Kiwis in 1983, Colin Scott.
Oh, look, I still remember the first training session when the Sydney guys turned up, and I remember sitting there and the boys were walking through into the dressing room, and Arthur Beetson walked through, and as a kid growing up, I said, holy Billy, what am I doing here, you know? And he walked over and said, how you going, Scotty? Well, back in the days, you didn't have mobile phones. I ran down to the phone box after training and rang Mum and told her that Arthur Beetson knew my name.